keep it level with them. I mean, they're both auto-clicking, but should be fine. They put it back on you. I'm raping Optic. Oh, he's outside of the border, bro. Bring him. Oh shit, they're picking up on me. Bro, like, you gotta take the pyro. I'm taking too much damage. You gotta go in the pyro, bro. Crystal. You take the pyro. I'll take the... Bro, you're fine. Like, you can keep going and running, but like... I'm raping him, bro. Like... You pull over to you. That's it. If this guy wants to like put away like this, just fucking kill this guy. We got a boost. Oopsie poopsie, I don't wanna. Oof. Bro, like, can I like, oh, like I'm a beast for so long, holy shit. Oh shit, oh bro, I need, oh, are you out? Are you out, Crystal? Bro, oh fuck dude, we gotta pearl somewhere and I'll drop you pots. Make sure your filter's in there, pearl somewhere, pearl away there, pearl away there. Bro, you gotta, can you pearl there? Hey, take the pots, take the pots, take the pots, put them bro. How many do you have? How many do you have now? How many do you have? Do you need more? I have 10. Come back. Here, take this. Alright, bro. Fuck, dude. Alright, bro, I'll rape the orc. The other guy pull away. I'll pull to your fight. Go back on the fire. 5! They're pulling you, behind you. Oh shit. Are you out again? Bro, they're pulling behind you. Shit. Pulling you. Fuck, dude. The pirate's on 6. I killed the pirate. Alright. How many puts is he on? He's probably out, right? Yeah. I kill him. Holy shit.